Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a grindr modded game. So let's get into the video. So this is a modded grindr app with the premium unlocked. So when we go to buy it, as you can see, it's $20 a month, but I have the mod, so it says developer activation. You're about to eligible extra developer access. Continue. So I'm going to press yes. And now I'm going to have the grindr premium features unlocked. As you can see, 600 plus profiles, no banner ads, see who viewed you, all these settings. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So let's get into the video. So first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com and type in grindr. And you're going to see the mod. So this is a modded website. It's got a ton of different mods. So I'm sure there's something on here you're going to like. But let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to download. So before it does download, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. Basically, what you have to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. This is going to be 100% for free from the official App Store. And once you do this, you will be good to go. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for it to load up. And then we're going to be all good. So as you can see, it says missing files. So just download some of these apps. For instance, Travel Town says reach level 9. And it'll bring you to the store, you just download it, and you're good. Same with all the other ones. But you only have to download 2 of them, and then do what it says, not all of them. So, like, reach this 15,000 coins, reach level 9. So just do 2 of them, and then you'll have the Grindr mod on your device, and you'll have the free Grindr Premium or Grindr Extra, whatever it's called. So yeah, tweakmod.com, guys, that's the website where you can download. This is super insane. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get Grindr Extra or Grindr Premium, whatever, for free. So I'm going to see you later, and peace out, gang.